In the realm of Rap Kreyol, one name resonates louder than any other: Wendyyy Traka. His influence, akin to a seismic wave, has forever altered the landscape of this genre, making it impossible to discuss Rap Kreyol without his mention. Emerging from the vibrant, rhythmic heart of Haiti in the early 2000s, Wendyyy Traka, born Wendyyy Traka, began his journey with humble beginnings. His passion for music was apparent from a young age, but it was the raw, unfiltered expression of rap that truly captivated him. By 2011, Wendyyy had released his debut album, Majesty. This bold entrance into the music scene was a testament to his talent and determination. Majesty was an unapologetic showcase of Rap Kreyol, with Wendyyy's unique style and lyrical prowess at the forefront. The album was a resounding success, cementing his place in the genre and gaining him a loyal fan base. In the years that followed, Wendyyy continued to push boundaries. His second album, Indetronable, released in 2013, not only solidified his position but also expanded the reach of Rap Kreyol. His music began to echo beyond the borders of Haiti, reaching international audiences and bringing Rap Kreyol to the global stage. Wendyyy's influence goes beyond his music. In 2015, he launched Traka Music Group, a music label aimed at nurturing and promoting new talent in Rap Kreyol. This venture has given rise to numerous artists, further enriching the genre. Not one to rest on his laurels, Wendyyy continued to evolve, pushing his creativity to new heights. His third album, Yon Lot La, released in 2019, was a testament to this. The album was a culmination of his growth as an artist, showcasing a more mature and refined sound, yet retaining the raw energy that is quintessentially Wendyyy. To say that Wendyyy Traka has played a significant role in shaping Rap Kreyol would be an understatement. He has been a driving force, a trendsetter, and an icon. His music has not only entertained but also given voice to a generation, allowing them to express their hopes, dreams, and realities. From his debut album, Majesty, to his latest work, Wendyyy has consistently proven his mastery of the genre, earning him the title King of Rap Kreyol. His music is a testament to his talent, his passion, and his unwavering dedication to Rap Kreyol. In conclusion, Wendyyy Traka's significance in Rap Kreyol cannot be overstated. His influence has been profound, shaping the genre into what it is today. His music, his contribution to the growth of other artists through Traka Music Group, and his continued evolution as an artist all contribute to his enduring legacy. Wendyyy Traka is not just a musician. He is a pioneer, an icon, and truly the king of Rap Kreyol.